You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, this fictional character, this rabbit. If you want to learn how to pronounce some more names from literature and from Dutch, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. The Dutch pronunciation here, that's the original language of the series, and the author is pronounced as Nijntje. Nijntje, that's Dutch pronunciation, better known of course as Miffy, pronounced Nijntje. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.